So, dear friends, I now want to show how we carry out control during the cold season. How quickly and easily this can be done. It's the end of October, it's already frosty. There's ice on the roofs of the hives. The temperature outside is approximately -1 or -2 degrees. Naturally, it is not advisable to open the hives. Therefore, our device will help to monitor the condition of bees quickly and without problems. At first, we switch the device to winter mode. The device has a winter mode. Naturally, now there is no honey collection and summer work, and diagnostic scale is completely different. The device will monitor the condition of the bees, checking how active or restless they are. This can help determine if the bees have any problems, a queen has been lost or there is not enough food. If they are calm, then everything is fine and the family does not require any intervention. Now we will quickly check all the hives. We select General State Control Mode and select a short time interval 15 seconds. The condition of bees is now stable and there is no point in waiting 3 minutes like in summer. In principle, in 15 seconds the device can tell us everything we need to know. So, let's start control. We remove the roof of the first hive. We remove the hard insulation and quickly place the smartphone on the mesh under synthetic canvas. We press start button. The default delay is 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, the measurement of parameters of bees' sounds will begin. So, we open the hive, take the device. And here is the result. The bees are very excited. Heating is in progress. But the most important thing is that there is strong excitement. This is a small offshoot. It took up 3 or 4 frames. And apparently it has problems. We will have to check it out later. Let's check the next family. We press the reset button, and the device is ready to work with the next family. Let us open the insulation a little, press the start button. We have a 5-second delay, in order to calmly place the device under the insulation on the grill. And wait 15 seconds while the measurement takes place. As soon as we hear the beep, we can pick up the device and see the result. As you can see, there is nothing complicated about this. We don't open the hives, we don't disturb the bees. And here is the signal. We also carefully remove the device and read the diagnostics. This family has a normal state. Wintering is going well. The device shows the normal state of the wintering family. There is work inside the hive. The bees are engaged in food delivery and feeding. This is a normal, good state.
Присутствуют внутриульевые работы. И, так сказать, пчелы занимаются доставлением этих кормовых резервов в семью. То есть нормальное, хорошее состояние. Все сбрасываем.
We reset the result, put on the roof, and move on to the next hive.
То же самое, та же самая ситуация. Снимаем крышу.
We do the same. We remove the roof, move the insulation, and place the device on the grill under a light-proof canvas. We wait 15 seconds for the result to be ready.
В данном случае. И все, мы ждем опять 15 секунд, когда будет готов результат.
So, the signal sounded, we move the insulation and take out the device.
Достаем наш прибор. Так вот, то же самое.
So, here's the result. The condition of this family is normal. There is work inside the hive, and there is a little excitement. But, in general, the condition of the wintering family is quite normal. We press the reset button. put on the roof and move on to the next family.
Надеваем крышу. Идем к следующему.
We remove the roof, move the insulation, put the device down and press the start button.
Полосик аккуратно, нажав старт. Кладем под утепление. И ждем опять 15 секунд.
And wait again for 15 seconds. So, you see that 4 families can be checked in just over a minute. 15 plus 5 seconds per family, 4 families. That is a little over a minute. We hear a beep.
Слышен звонок. Забираем прибор.
You can pick up the device from the hive. The result is the good condition of the wintering family. These bees have a small heating signal. It's not very big, and that is okay. But the family's condition is quite normal.
Вот. Есть сигналы обогрева.
In principle, all the bees are now busy with the same thing. They take honey, bring it to the center of cluster and feed the rest. That is all. We press the reset button. Control completed. We only lost a minute and a half to control 4 families. They have all been examined and their condition is known. The first family that we examined, and this is a small layer on several frames, needs to be examined in person. This colony is needed to be studied. Something is wrong with them. The family there is very excited and most likely it is freezing. After all, they are in an empty hive, and there are so few of them. So, we previously checked the condition of the bees using our device and said that this hive causes some concern for its condition. In it, we saw strong excitement and its state is not clear. Now we will open it and we'll see what is happening there. Previously, this hive had 3 or 4 frames of bees, and they were a perfectly acceptable colony. Now let us see what is happening to them now. So this is all that is left of her. This frame is empty. This one is also empty. Dead bees fell under the frames. The family became very weak. That is, the bees remained on 2 frames, and there are not many of them. So, we see their problem. There are few of them and they freeze because they cannot heat the entire hive. And it is natural that they are very worried. Let's close the hive for now. Action must be taken here, otherwise they will die. This is how our device shows, without opening the hive. In cold winter weather in what condition the bees are and what needs to be done with them.